Alright, y'all, so today is May 17th. It's Tuesday. The market's been going crazy. Take a quick overview of what the NASDAQ's been doing this past week. So we're having a pretty little whippy action, but every single day I'm seeing a lot of drip. So, I see drip on this over here, boom. See this drip right here, this drip right here, this drip right here. And I'm just thinking, okay, if all these are zones of resistance, right here, they sold this off 3 times, and this is an hour chart, so these are market makers I'm talking about. These are the areas of resistance. So there's 3 that I see right here on my long-term chart. So I know as they get up here, they're most likely selling it, because let's be honest, this thing has been damn near looking like a recession or a crash. So anytime they get up high, you know what? And there's a term that we like to use here in the streets, and that term is take them up top. So if you get up there to the top where your ass ain't supposed to be, guess what? I'm going to get my money. So since I do know that resistance is resistance and support is support until it's not anymore, or until that zone is created, and usually that's confirmed by price action. So let's zoom in on the chart here. This is my first trade of the day. It was taken real close to noon. So I got in right here. I'm just looking for a scalp. Just a quick little scalp move. I got 7 points out the deal. I really just wanted to get down here to the low 50s, but I was like, you know what? I'm not mad at 7 points. They're going to pay me for being here real quick. So, I took my quick little lunch break. Got my 15 an hour. Came back around 1. And right now I'm just looking for areas of resistance and areas of support. Really looking forward to short these areas of resistance. And I'm noticing that they're really not liking this open price. And historically, they have not liked 12,500. And 12,500 just sounds like a good place to buy or sell at. So I shorted at 12,499, of course, and I'm risking about 11, and I'm trying to get 20. So I shorted it at 99. Boom. Let's see how it plays out. Risking about 11 points. Could have got down here in the 80s, but I was looking for a certain amount of points, and it just didn't happen. So on this little second bounce, this was a pretty aggressive bounce, and this was a lot of volume, so I chose to get out with just a quarter worth of loss. So that's literally a quarter. I'm not tripping about that. So got back in it. Price went back down. Got to 94. Went back through here, but it did shoot up aggressively back to my moving average, and I should have got down there at 79, 78. That's usually a general rule of mine, protect by quarter marks, but it went back up here to 88, and I got out. So looking for another entry. Boom, got in at 86 just because price went back down. This looks like this is a descending trend or a descending triangle, so I'm thinking to myself, boom, short at 86, only risked a couple points. It got to 94, I got out. Got back in here as soon as it got reflected back off of the open price. I'm like, you know what, I'm just going to risk 11 points. If it gets back over on 1 or 2, which would be right here in this area, I would then be out. So this is just my area of resistance right there for this time being, for that price. So seeing if it goes back up there, it gets reflected off of there, but does not get over. We do not have a solid candle over, so resistance is still resistance. It's selling. So now I'm thinking, okay, it's close to 2 o'clock. 2 o'clockers, there's a lot of momentum and just a lot more volume going on during 2 o'clock. And why the fuck did this pop up? All right, boom. So a lot of momentum comes on at 2 o'clock. So that's what I'm thinking might happen. Boom. I seen it shoot up from 83 to 93, shot back down 10 points very fast. Boom. Added 2 more since it was a trend confirmation on my Thinkorswim chart as well. Got out at 58. I was only looking for 10 to 15 points because I was very close to my goal. And now I'm already trailing a 30-point win right here if I'm trailing down from 99 right there. So I put a stop. Got 2 out there at 58. Got 10 points on that. Definitely could have got a little bit more of the chunk. Got out at 56. But, two points away from the bottom is not bad. And boom, I got out by 61 right here. But good thing I did, because look, everybody else got out at that time, and that would have cleared me out. So I'm only looking for 100. I got 109 for the day plus commissions. I'm pretty sure that's very close to that. Not really worried about it. It's a great day in the market. Liquid sick. I ain't get my head knocked. I knocked him on the head. So peace and love. I'll let y'all. It's P&L Pop. I'm out.